Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make app icon black and white on iPhone. If at the end of this video guys you find it so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So guys, before you can make app icon black and white on iPhone, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 18. How do you now make app icon black and white on your iPhone? First thing to do is to go ahead and click on empty space on your iPhone. Just long press. When you long press on your iPhone, you find this minus sign on each of the icon. At the top of your home screen, you find edit and done. Just go ahead and click on edit. When you click on edit, a message will pop up. How do you get customize and edit page? Just go ahead and click on customize. When you click on customize guys, at the down page you see message that pop up where you have light, dark, automatic and tinted. Just go ahead and click on tinted. When you click on tinted again, that page will swipe up where you have two lines. At the second line, you have to drag it down to your right hand side. When you drag it down to your right hand side, the app will change to black and white. So guys, that is how to make app icon black and white on iPhone. If you find this video so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up and turn on the notification bell for more updates so that you'll be notified whenever I drop my video. Thanks for watching guys. See you guys in the next video.